So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view saved videos on Facebook. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Facebook account, and you should have to tap on three line which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then here you will see the option of saved. So simply tap on saved. Then scroll down, and here is your saved post and reels, marketplace and collection as well. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.